First, you need to download the Ubuntu ISO. I've already added the link in the description, so you can easily grab it from there. Next comes the system requirements. You'll need at least 8 GB of RAM so both the host and guest systems can run smoothly. Your Windows version also matters. This feature was introduced in Windows 10 Pro and later in Windows 11 Pro. So if your Windows 10 doesn't support it, you can use the same version I'm currently testing on. Now let's enable Windows virtualization. Click on the Windows search icon and type, turn Windows features on or off. Open the option from the list. Here, simply enable Hyper-V by checking the box. Make sure all of its sub-options are also checked. If anything is unchecked, enable it as well and press OK. Windows will begin installing the required Hyper-V files. Once the installation finishes, it will ask you to restart your system. Go ahead and click Restart to continue. After the restart, click the Windows search icon again and type Hyper-V. Open the Hyper-V Manager from the results. Now click New and create a new virtual machine. Hit Next and enter a name for your virtual machine. You can also change the installation location. Choose a drive with at least 30 GB of free space. If you want, you can create a separate Ubuntu folder in that drive for better organization. Click Next, then select Generation 2 and continue. Now assign the RAM you want to allocate to the virtual machine. Remember, never give more than 60% of your actual system RAM. Uncheck the Use Dynamic Memory and click Next. Now specify how much hard disk space you want to allocate to the virtual machine. Ubuntu requires at least 30 GB, so make sure you provide that. Click Next, then select the Ubuntu ISO you downloaded earlier. Continue with Next, and finally click Finish. Your virtual machine setup will begin. Once it's created, open the settings. Go to Security and disable Secure Boot by unchecking it. Then open the Processor section and assign 2 cores. Leave the remaining settings as they are, click Apply, and then OK. Now click Connect and start your virtual machine. Press Enter on Try or install Ubuntu. You can also switch the Hyper-V window to full screen for better compatibility. Ubuntu will start loading, and this part usually takes a while, so I'm skipping ahead to save time. Finally, you can see the Ubuntu home screen has loaded. Click Install Ubuntu to begin the installation. You might feel it's a bit slow or slightly buggy at this stage, but don't worry, once it's fully installed, it runs smoothly. Now continue through the setup wizard just like a regular Windows installation. Ubuntu simply asks for a few extra details, so review each option and choose whatever suits you best. Since I'm installing it only for testing, I'm going with the basic setup. The installation has finally started, and this process can take quite a long time, so don't worry if it seems slow. To keep the video short, I'm skipping ahead. Once it's done, click restart. After rebooting, press enter. Then select your username and enter the password you created during installation. And that's it, you've successfully installed Ubuntu inside Hyper-V. Close the welcome window and open the settings to adjust your display resolution. Set the screen resolution to the highest available option and click Keep Changes. With that, we'll wrap up today's video. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.